Oh, and welcome to my software demo for this Java program that I built. It's basically a simple banking application where a user will create an account and can interact with the app by making deposits and making withdrawals and checking the current balance. This was a really fun and interesting project because I learned object-oriented programming with Java, very basic. I learned the use of getters and setters and constructors and what they do, what they're useful for, and how to access instance variables inside a class and outside of a class as well. So basically, when the app starts, well, I have the scanner for user input, and I use this little number format class here to format the numbers so we can get currency, or so that they'll be displayed at currency format. And then we get this little text here, and then a prompt asking for your name. Once your name is received, it is stored in the class, in the account class. It takes the name and then stores it, and you can access it by calling get name. The object is called customer account, which is instantiated here, right here on line 26. And then it keeps running. I set this Boolean to have like a loop running while the code is ongoing. And then it tells you you've created an account, and then it asks you what you want to do. And so this while loop starts running, and then the menu is displayed for you to see. And then it waits and listens for your input. Now, based on what your input is, I use a switch case, switch control here, whatever that's called, to control what the program does based on user input. And so if it's case of A, it displays balance. Case of B, it makes a deposit. And in the case of C, it makes a withdrawal. Now you can hit Q to quit. Yeah, it's gonna set the Boolean to false, the Boolean variable for running the loop to false, and exit the program. So that's basically it. So making deposits and withdrawals, I created two methods here in the account class that handle those functionalities. And this was, I guess, the most difficult part of the whole thing, is being new to object-oriented programming. And I wondered a lot where things would go and all that. Anyway, that is the code for the program, and I already hit run, so the program is waiting for me. All right, so it asks for a name. Yeah, so I enter my name and I hit, and it says, congrats, your account has been successfully created. What do you want to do next? I didn't do a lot of error handling here, but the switch statements, because of what the default case is, if I put in anything besides A, B, C, and Q, like 3, it tells me it's not a recognized option, so I need to choose, and it puts this back on the screen for me to see. So I'm gonna check account balance. I haven't made any deposit yet, so it's just gonna be 0, like that. But then if I go to make a deposit, wise choice, enter the amount. I'm gonna say $1 million. Yes, I'm $1 million rich. Now I can check my, oh, no, nothing. I can check my account balance now, and it should show me the $1 million that I have. Now, if I want to, I already made a deposit. I want to make a withdrawal now, so I'm going to go with option C. And you're not so wise after all, are you? Anyway, asks me how much I want to withdraw. I'm going to withdraw 500,000. Yeah, the current balance is not that, so it subtracts the withdrawn amount from the current balance. And then I can go on and withdraw, keep withdrawing. Let's see. I want to withdraw 499,000 and the limit is just $1. Now, if you try to withdraw the remaining balance or anything that is going to put you below 0, it's going to kick you out. But I don't want to do that. I just want to end this program by quitting. And then it says, are you sure you want to leave? And I say yes. I say yes. It says goodbye. For this last part here, I used another switch statement here in the queue right there. And that was pretty neat. So yeah, this is my simple program. And I must say I'm starting to love Java a lot.